In today's session, we'll see about the Arduino program for the 16:2 LCD display. Okay, so you can get many codings, diagrams, and explanations in the from the internet actually. Okay, from the internet only. I also obtained the connection diagrams and the codings also. After obtaining the coding from the net, I just modified according to my requirement actually. So this what I am showing you now, you can get it from the link attached in the description. Okay, so this is the Nano V board. Okay, so you can get this image of Arduino Nano board from the net also. Okay, so this is the LCD that we'll be using. Why it is called 16 into 16 by 12? There are two line display, and in one line there are 16 characters. Okay, so this is the connection. Okay, so how to connect it? It is given in this table. Okay, using this table, with reference to this table, you can connect the PLC, sorry, not the PLC, the Arduino with the LCD display. Okay, so today we'll be seeing this particular thing. Maybe in the tomorrow, the same LCD program, instead of connecting this way, I'll tell you the different way. I think that will be better, but you should know all the things, the good, bad, the best, everything you should know. Even you should know the do's and don'ts also. See here, it uses D1 D1 IO, D2 IO, D4, D5, D6, D7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this program, to display any text alphanumeric characters, you should use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digital IOs actually. So you please think of, in addition to the LCD display, if you want to attach some sensors and inputs and outputs, so already this has taken away 6 IOs. Okay, so 14 IOs are there. So 14 minus 6, it is 8. So only 8 digital IOs are remaining for you to add more inputs and outputs, or sensors and transducers and actuators. Okay, so that is the point. Okay, this is the Arduino program. What you can do is you can just copy it. You can just copy up to this, paste it in the Arduino compiler. So this is what this is the program. I copied from here, I paste it here, okay. So let me explain. See, our aim, my aim and your aim, our aim is to complete the task. Okay, so try to understand some of the principles, some of the basics of Arduino program, something similar to C language. If it is clear, understandable, take it. Otherwise, don't knock your head. Whichever is understandable, please understand it. Otherwise, you leave it as it is. Okay, after some time you will learn on your own. Okay, so they said you have to include the liquid crystal.h header file. Okay, whenever you want to use the 16 into 2 LCD display unit. So this statement is important, this statement is important. So these two are defining and initializing the thing. Then I said already there are only two blocks, setup block and the loop block. Very simple program. In the setup block, I initialized the LCD using lcd.begin, a 16 by 2 character display. Okay, I think this is not required. Okay, so here also let me remove. Sorry. After that, you see the loop. It is an endless loop. It will be executing. The compiler will be executing line by line. For under the loop, this is the line one maybe. So whatever alphanumeric character present here, that will be cleared once this line is executed. Then the cursor is set at 0, 0, 0. Okay, what is 0, 0? here. This is 0 0 and this is 0 comma 0, of course, and this is 0 comma 1. Okay, maybe this is the 0th line and this is the first line. In the 0th line, 0 character. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So first line 16, second line 16. Okay, so now cursor is set at the first row. Okay, 0th row, that is nothing but the first row. So it prints the hello. You see, I allocated 1 2 3 4 5 spaces, because if I give 5 spaces, then only the hello will be maybe at the center. Hello will be maybe at the center. Instead, if you remove this one, this will be at the end, left end. So I said, there are 16 characters. How many characters the hello has? 1 2 3 4 5 characters. So 16 minus 5, 11 characters is free on the right hand side. So that is why I allocated 5 spaces this side. Of course, you need not give a separate space on the right side. Okay, it will be blank as such. Then set the cursor at the second row, that is row number 1. 0 is the starting number in C language. Okay, so in the first line it prints hello. In the second line it prints M Sendil Kumar, my name. Then delay 2000, that is 2000 milliseconds, 2 seconds. So this will be prevailing. Hello Sendil Kumar will prevail for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, again the LCD display is cleared totally. Then this will be displayed. Welcome friends and students. You see the friends and students, and luckily I got 16 characters. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So if it exceeds 16, the characters after the 16th digit will not be visible. Okay, so this, after the executing this, the welcome friends and students will be displaying. It will be there for a delay of 2000 milliseconds, 2 seconds. After that, I said the loop is endless, so it goes to top. So from the top, the first line is again LCD is cleared, then hello Sendil Kumar. So like that it repeats forever. So hello Sendil Kumar for 2 seconds, welcome friends and students for 2 seconds. Okay, I compiled it. Then let me show the video which is available in my thing. After fusing the program, you see, welcome hello Sendil Kumar, 2 seconds, welcome friends and students. So this is the output. Okay, so this is the program, this is the output. First 2 seconds, hello Sendil Kumar. Next 2 seconds, hello friends and students. So these two things will be repeating forever, because the loop is endless loop. Okay, so this program is already included in this PDF file. This PDF file link is available in the description. Okay, see the video. Okay, if you like it, then give your positive comments and tell this to some more friends. Okay, so that I'll be encouraged to do something more on Arduino, as well as you all know that I'll be continuously doing lectures, the sessions for 3 different items, that is SolidWorks, PLC and Arduino, right? Okay, thank you.